What's up, everybody? This is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and in this video I actually want to touch base with you on a really cool feature that is inside of ClickFunnels 2.0 that is not inside of ClickFunnels Classic. Now, if you're familiar with ClickFunnels Classic, what you'll know is that in ClickFunnels Classic you have the ability to save a section. But let me ask you a question. Wouldn't it be nice if that same save section, if you happen to make edits to it, would make edits across your whole workspace where that save section lives? Well, this problem is solved inside of 2.0 with universal sections. Now, let's get into how universal sections work. It's a very simple process. Now, I have this very basic funnel here. If you watched any of our previous videos, I walked through the Funnel Builder AI tool inside of 2.0. That's where this funnel came from. But let's just say for a second you were looking at this section here and you said, you know what, I want this to be a universal section. What you first have to do is actually click the Save option. Once you click the Save option, let's go ahead and set our name. So we're going to say Universal Test. But you can call it whatever you want. If you'd like to add a folder to it as well, you could do that too. So in this case, let's go ahead, let's just say, testing. And then from here, you want to make sure that you check this box that says Make Section Universal. Once we've done this, go ahead and save. Now, what's going to happen once we save is you're going to see that instead of it being a green container, it's actually going to show as a purple container. This purple container is signifying that this is a universal section. Now, a couple things to note about this universal section, as I mentioned, is if this is in more than one place, when I update the universal section here, it'll update other places as well. So let's just, for the sake of it, so I don't have to flip between two funnels, let's add the universal section right here. So we're going to put it just right here as well. So it's going to be, let's move it one place down just so it doesn't look super crowded. All right, we're going to save the page. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to edit the block. So we're just going to say secure your not free guide never. All right. Now, once we click Save Universal Block, this is where the magic happens. Okay? So it says secure your not free guide never. Now, if we go down to where this is, you'll notice that change actually happened. Now, assuming this was in a different funnel, that would also happen as well, but I just didn't want to flip back and forth between two different funnels just to show the example. Another thing I wanted to touch base with you on here with universal sections is the ability to unlink the universal section. Maybe you added a universal section to somewhere and you're like, you know what, I want to make specific changes to this universal section on a different funnel and I don't want it to affect the universal section everywhere else. So what I can actually do is I can come up here and I can click unlink. Now once I click unlink, this just becomes a regular section. So if I wanted to make changes and then maybe do a different universal section or just have it sit alone by itself, this isn't going to affect the way the top piece looks here. So if I save, you'll notice I have this piece here at the top and it's affected just by what the changes are that we did before. And then at the bottom here, there is the different section that has the send my free report now, and then it's got the stuff at the top here. So this is basically universal sections in its essence. It is a very powerful tool inside of 2.0, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications of all of our new videos, and we will see you guys next time.